Lean right, lean right, lean right. Oh, you're on the right.
That's a cool I'm gonna jump in, okay?
Yep. Go for it.
It's cold!
Any last words?
I love you guys. Bye-bye.
Cheers. All right, well, it's day one here at Big Meadows in our favorite little spot here, number 17. So give you a quick little tour of the place. We have it all to ourselves. There's nobody else here except for I think one other group, but we got car, bear box, the picnic table, the firing is the word I'm looking for there. Bryce set up our nice little dinner area nicely. Got our screen house, keep the buggies away, which is working good. Got our man in the hammock over here. I'm gonna soon be joining him right there. And then we got maybe the best feature of the whole place is the big old rock behind our house here. So Bryce loves to go up there. And then we got our nice Grand Hut 4 here. Got the lights set up, looking cozy. Got a couple new pads in there, softies, the whole deal. So really nice. As always, our favorite spot. So we're gonna have a real chill night, and then Weaver Lake tomorrow as usual. So bring the swim stuff and fishing gear, so we'll fill you in with more. All right, it's day 2 here. We've, as always, pivoted. Just not really feeling Weaver. We've done it maybe 2 or 3 times. We decided to do something different. I've never been to Hume. Neither has Bryce. So here we are. Pretty sweet. A little spot called Sandy Cove. Living up to its name. So yeah, nice and shady. Bryce is floating around on a log. You can see him out there. He's cruising along. So I'm going to go join him. But yeah, pretty nice. So we're just going to hang out here, and we drove to the end, and Hume's pretty populated. There's a big Christian camp down there, but like a general store and visitor center. So we'll go check that out later, and then connect the road up to the 180 into Kings, and then probably just circle around on the Kings Highway back to camp and maybe go hit Buck Rock. So we'll see. We might save time for hammocks, who knows, but we'll fill you in with more. All right, it's day 3, starting our hike to Moro Rock. We had a really fun day yesterday. Didn't end up doing Buck Rock, but just hung out down at the lake, swam. Bryce found a big old log to float and surf on. Super fun. So the plan today is hit Moro Rock, go have lunch at the grill, and then hang out by the river for the rest of the day. And then hammock time, right? Bryce agrees.
Hi-ho the Dario.
Yes. Onward!